Jiffthegeneral here with another quick tip. Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to take a stock sound, crank it up, manipulate it, make it sound sweet and lush with just a few plugins. If you like what you see, like what you hear, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Hit that notification button so you know when your boy's coming through. Alright, so we're going to be creating this sound. Alright, so this is how we're going to do it. I'm using Reason 9. Here's my NNXT playing the piano chords. It's real raw. Alright, so what we're going to do now is change those chords. The sound of that, we're going to change it to a more of a bell-like sound. So I'm going to go to the Fab filter, go to chimes, preset, choose the bells, and it sounds like this. Slightly sharp, but it's fine. I'm going to go to my effects and go to cable guys, shape a box 2. Drag that over here. And I'm going to go to the downbeat. So now that I've got a downbeat on, it sounds like this. So you've got that lushness coming through already. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is just to add a bit of an echo to it. So I'm going to go to my Polaris and add a bit of a tape echo to it. Turn that wetness down a bit. Okay. Now to add some air to it, I'm going to put some reverb down. Go to my trusted Valhalla. Got some holes. Turn that down a bit. Alright, so all I'm going to do now is just add a bit of EQ to it. Take off some low end. Add a bit more air on the top end. A little dip on the midsection. And now just to tame the spikes that come through on the sound there, I'm going to grab, let's go with the Reason compressor. And just to tame those spikes coming through. Give it a fast attack. Give it a slower release. And there you have it. Nice and lush. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that tip of just taking a simple sound and manipulating it, make it sound sweet and lush with just a couple of plugins and some EQing. If you like what you see, like what you hear, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and I will see you in the next vid.